Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
We have Mr. Westmoreland ready to go. People against Devontae Doris McQueen, 24-833-762. All right, good morning. Mr. McQueen, your name?
Devontae McQueen.
I'm sorry. Wait a minute. Is this a Woodhaven case where the defendant's locked up in Flat Rock? Are you Devontae McQueen?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Mr. Westmoreland, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Corey Westmoreland, appearing on behalf of Devontae McQueen.
Corporal, your name?
Corporal Bagman, Flat Rock Police Department.
All right, so that's what we have here. He's just over in Flat Rock right now. Counsel, for purposes of arraignment, does he stand mute, waive formal reading?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Not guilty, please enter. Do you live on Oak Grove Street?
No,
Devontae McQueen?
No.
I also have others for you here, I suppose. Okay, my mistake here. I've got all kinds of cases here. This is 24-833-762. 25F243633. 24F242253. 20F233427. 24W833-762A. I don't think. All right. So. Wow, you got a big problem here. Your client has a big problem. He's been given opportunity after opportunity after opportunity. You live on, where do you live?
I stay in Newport, Michigan.
Well, I didn't ask you where you stayed. I asked you where you live. Where do you reside there or what?
Yeah, yes.
Well, at some point, we're going to get that address from you, okay? Because so far, you act like you don't want to show up here. Now, I know that wouldn't be true because everybody wants to take care of their business. But but I can only go by how people act. And we're going to go through all of this with you. And you're going to have every opportunity to explain to me why you've been acting like a fugitive on all these cases. Okay? So first of all, I have a February 1924 case. That is 24W833-762. And on that case, I'm indicating the defendant stands mute and waives formal reading. That is a drywall suspend charge. Then I have a 25F243633. Counsel, does he stand mute, waive formal reading on that?
That's correct, Your Honor.
That's one that happened the other day. I'll enter a not guilty plea on that. Then we have 24F242253. That is a May 2024 case. Does he stand mute, waive formal reading on that?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Then we have civil infraction 20F233427. Does he stand mute, waive formal reading on that?
That's correct, Judge.
Then we have 24W833-762A. Does he stand mute, waive formal reading on that?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Did I cover all these? Looks like I did. So let's just cover some of these. On the 24W833-762A, defendant was supposed to appear for a show cause July 22, 24. He did not. On 20F233427, he was supposed to appear for show causes January 20 of 21, December 12 of 22, July 23 of 24. That's been going on since 2020. Then we have the 25F case that he just picked up. We have the 24WA33762 case that he was supposed to be here March 20 of 24 and again on April 3, 24. He didn't show up for those. And then on Judge Hessen's case, 24F242253 was supposed to be here June 20 of 24 and July 18, 2024. Congratulations. You are batting 1,000, Mr. McQueen, it appears to me. Counsel, what do you have to say? What's he been doing? Why doesn't he think he has to drive over here, get over here somehow by Uber, whatever, Lyft,
Your Honor,
taxi?
I did explain all that to Mr. McQueen. Moving forward, understands that it needs to start actually clearing these up. Knows not to accrue any more charges, knows not to operate a motor vehicle until they do restore the driving privileges. He is currently gainfully employed at Insicon.
Where?
At Insicon Security, and also works as a behavioral technician assisting.
You're a security officer?
Yes, sir.
And assists children with autism.
This just makes me shake my head and understand, or makes me wonder what we're doing wrong. And I'm talking about the criminal justice system. And we have people that think that they can do this. I don't get it.
What does that mean?
I just don't get it.
The host has opened breakout.
You have any excuse at all, Mr. McQueen, as to why you haven't been here? I mean,
I don't
I'm
really
just
have an
asking.
excuse. I don't know. I don't have an excuse. I'm aware of everything that was going on, and now
I'm sorry, say that again. You don't have an excuse, what?
I was saying that I don't have an excuse for it. I know what I did was wrong, and now I'm just ready to clear it up and get it off my shoulders.
Don't touch me. Oh, there he is. Oh, see, he's got the line that means you can't hear him play.
All right, well. These seem all to be on different dates, so. I'm gonna give you a personal bond on 233427 in the amount of $181. I'm gonna give you 2,500, 10% on 24W833762B, which will also incorporate A, and then on 25F243633, I'm gonna give you 2,500, 10%, and then on 24F242253, I'm also giving you 2,500, 10%.
It's this Flat Rock
I'm
Jail
going to give
attorney. So he's at Flat Rock Jail.
Ms. Greenhill, you have to mute yourself, please. Thank you. I'm going to give you court dates on all of these. I suppose, let's see, on 242253, the pretrial date will be March 27th at 9:30. And I'm going to give you on the same date, 25F242633, March 27th at 8:30. And then I'm going to give you on 24W833762B, pretrial date will be March 26th at 10:30. A lot of these communities are not here at the time. But I hope you can post the bond. We're gonna give you the earliest court dates in case you can't. But you cannot do this. I don't know what else to tell you. And then I'm gonna set the, becomes confusing here. I'll set the contempt hearing on 2OF-233-427 on March the 27th at 8:30. And I will set 24W-833-762A, March the 27th at 8:30. I wish you well. We'll see you here then. Corporal, make sure he fills out a petition for a court-appointed lawyer that has all these case numbers on there and send it over if you would, please, okay? Thank
Will do,
you.
Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, let's see.